Hi, I'm Jared Bailey, the global brow expert here at Benefit Cosmetics. Our brow bars have always had the highest standards of hygiene, but now we're adding some extra precautions to keep you both safe and happy. It's mandatory for all employees at the brow bar to wear a face mask, and we're asking you to do the same. Hand washing, our new favorite pastime. We sanitize our hands every 30 minutes, in between customers, or every time we touch another surface or tester. All brow bar employees are required to wear gloves and follow strict sanitation guidelines. Service stations are thoroughly sanitized using locally approved guidelines, both when the store opens and in between every customer. All service chairs will be set up 6 feet apart to adhere to social distancing. We'll continue to disinfect all non-disposable implements after every use and again before your service. Because is there such a thing as too clean? We'll continue to go through all the same steps of the Benefit's signature brow wax service that you've come to know and love. Your safety is our top priority. We can't wait to see you and your brows really soon.